Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to send message with firework effect on iPhone. So if you want to send message with the firework effect, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up the messaging app on your phone. Open it up, then after that just click on the person you want to message, then together with the effect. So I'm just going to use this particular message as an example. So I'm going to add in the message which I want to add the effect to, because without the message there is no effect. So you have to add the message before you can get the effect. So next thing I'm going to do is input the message, which is hey. Then I'm going to click on the arrow up button right in front of the message, then tap on the screen right there. Then I'm going to have to start sliding to the left to figure out the firework effect which I want to add. I want to send with my message. This is laser, and this is what's this? This is firework, right? Yeah, this is firework. You can see that is the firework. So then, for me to be able to send this, I have to click on a single click. I have to make a single click on the arrow up button right in front of the message. Then tap on the arrow up button and expected together with the firework effect. That's it. Turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.